Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed the previous video on Treehouse. In this video, I'm going to explain about Microsoft Virtual Academy and EDX. These two are similar because a few of the courses are similar in both the platforms. So please do watch this video and try to analyze which platform suits you more. And thanks for watching this video.
This is the fourth one, Microsoft Virtual Academy. On this website, we have two kinds of certification programs. One is certification Become Microsoft Certified, as mentioned here. Other one is learning paths and modules. Different popular learning paths and modules are available on Microsoft Virtual Academy, and here comes a big list. And let's start with understanding at least one learning path and one module. Here comes the big list, and I am choosing Azure Fundamentals to understand what the learning path giving you in different modules. This is the big one, 9 hours 48 minutes learning path is available on Azure Fundamentals with nearly 12 modules are available, and they are going to discuss about solutions architect, administration, AI engineer, business analyst, and different kinds of other services are also being explained in these 12 modules. And coming to list of modules, first one is cloud concepts, principles of cloud computing, which explaining about what is cloud computing and what are the benefits you can get by using cloud computing, and the types of cloud services. By the end of each module, we have a knowledge check, that is a quiz. So we need to go through a quiz and we need to clear this module before entering into other module. For this, you have 1100 points, which is a good one, so that after completing this module you will get 1100 points in your account. Likewise, by doing each module you will get some sort of points. After completing one course you can go to other course, and by the end of every module you have to do quiz and get completing points of that current module. So there are different modules available for this learning path, like Azure data storage options. What are the different data storage options, because only limited storage will be available on free tier, so that remaining things we need to pay. So what are the security, responsibility and trust in Azure, apply and monitor infrastructure standards with Azure policy. For everything there are different units, and different video lectures and documentation is also available. So the last module, 12th module, is predict cost and optimize the spending for Azure, because we need to spend some money on our services. What are the services we are leveraging from Microsoft Azure? So we need to pay for them on hourly basis or CPU rate base. So according to our requirement, we can stop the services and we can restart our services. Whenever we require services, we can start the service. Whenever the services are not needed in one sort of time bound, we can stop the services. Likewise, cloud computing services are being provided by Microsoft as Azure to the different organizations for different purposes. And let's start with other certification type, that is Microsoft certification, which is a paid one, Explore certification. Here we have a button, Explore certification, and here comes the big list again on Microsoft certifications: developer, administrator, solutions architect, data engineer, data science, AI engineer, DevOps engineer, security engineer, and functional consultant. These are the different certifications providing by Microsoft Virtual Academy for you guys as a beginner and as an advanced. These are the fundamental certifications, role-based certifications, and additional certifications. What are role-based certifications? For example, you are a data science person. Your role is data scientist. So you have to learn about statistics and all the mathematical part, and you need to know about how to play with data, how to get data, how to manipulate data, web scraping, and what are the fundamental things, role based things you have to learn. You will be given clear picture in these role-based certification programs. For example, let's check out about data scientist. So to become a data scientist, first there is an fundamental certification program, and that is Azure Fundamentals. After completing this one, we need to go with associate certification, which is Azure Data Scientist Associate. After completing these two, we need to go for the major one. This is the major one. After completing this one, you will get a Microsoft Certified Associate badge and a certificate for you, and a digital certificate, because we can't get hard copies as we are in COVID-19 situation. So this is all about Microsoft Virtual Academy. Here comes the number 3, EDX. EDX is a great platform with plenty number of courses available on this platform, and reputed universities created this course curriculum for their respective courses, and we have popular subjects list here, and we can choose any course and we can register directly with EDX. There are two kinds of registration process in this EDX platform. One is we need to pay some amount with respect to EDX to get verified certificate program, so that after completing the entire course we get verified certificate according to the grade we acquired by assessments and projects. Second one is auditing the course. So by auditing the course, we can't get any certificate, but we can get the knowledge. So auditing certificate, we can get only course data like videos and materials, but we can't do any assessment things, and we can't go for any quiz programs and project programs. And this is about EDX.
Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed the video on Microsoft Virtual Academy and ADX. In these two videos I have explained few things, how to register the course and how to crack the certificate. Hope you register for any course in these two platforms. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech and Life, like the video, share the video, and please comment below your opinion on this video, and please press the bell icon. Thank you.